Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing and accessing the lock. Remove trim and get a clear view. Use a Phillips and a flat pry tool to release the panel. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips. If the lock is electronic, disconnect the battery or power first. Safety prevents damage. Once the panel is off, lay out screws in order and inspect the mechanism for broken tabs, strip screws, or debris. Make sure you have lubricant and a replacement latch ready before proceeding to disassembly. Now disassemble and diagnose the problem. Remove the actuator rod and any retaining clips, keeping track of their orientation. This reveals whether the plastic tab, latch gear, or rod is failing. Clean old grease and debris, then apply lubricant to pivots and test manual action. If it moves smoothly, the actuator or rod may be misaligned. If plastic tabs are cracked or the latch teeth are worn, replace the damaged component. Make sure replacement parts match OEM tolerances. Reassemble in reverse order while checking each moving part. Finish by reassembling and testing the lock thoroughly. Reattach the actuator rod and clips, then seat the panel and reinstall screws in their original positions to avoid stress on the plastic. Reconnect power if applicable, and run the lock through several cycles, lock, unlock, and manual handle operation, to confirm smooth action. If you notice binding or intermittent failure, open it again to realign the rod, clips, and striker plate. One key troubleshooting tip: replace the actuator motor or striker plate if wear continues, because worn mating surfaces often cause repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.